Hello friends, welcome to the tutorial on getting started with strings. At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to define strings in different ways, concatenate strings, print a string repeatedly, access individual elements of the string, learn immutability of string. Open the terminal and invoke the IPython interpreter by typing IPython. So type IPython and hit enter. So what are strings? In Python, anything within either single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes or triple single quotes are strings. So if you type within single quotes, this is a string, then in double quotes, this is a string 2. And in triple double quotes, we can say this is also a string. Note that it really doesn't matter how many characters are present in the string. So we can even put null string or an empty string. Having more than one control character to define strings is handy when one control character itself is part of the string. For example, we can try it in double quotes. Python's string manipulation functions are very useful. By having multiple control characters, we avoid the need for escaping characters, hyphen, in this case, the apostrophe. Let us now move on to the triple quoted strings. Let us define multi-line strings without using any escaping. Everything within the triple quotes is a single string, no matter how many lines it extends. So we can type in terminal within triple double quotes. Having more than one control character to define strings come as very handy when one of the control characters itself is a part of the string. So we can assign this string to any variable. So let's type a is equal to, within single quotes, hello, comma, world, exclamation, and hit enter. Now a is a string variable. String is a collection of characters. In addition, string is an immutable collection, which means that the string cannot be modified after it is created. So all the operations that are applicable to any other immutable collection is Python. Works on string as well. Hence, we can add two strings. So let's type a is equal to, within single quotes, hello, and hit enter. Then b is equal to, within single quotes, world. So c is equal to a plus, in single quotes, comma, plus b plus, within single quotes, exclamation, and hit enter. Then print c. So you will get an output as hello, comma, world. We can add string variables as well as the strings themselves in our same statement. The same addition operation performs the concatenation of two strings. Similarly, we can multiply a string with an integer. So let's type a is equal to, in single quotes, hello. Then type a into 5. So we will get the output as hello into 5. It gives another string in which the original string hello is repeated 5 times. Now pause the video here and try out the following exercise and resume the video. Obtain the string %% and 20 hyphens and then %% without typing or the 20 hyphens. Let's now look at accessing individual elements of strings. Since strings are collections, we can access individual items in the string using the subscripts. So type S is equal to, in double quotes, %% plus, in double quotes, minus, then multiplied by 20 plus, in double quotes, %, and hit enter. Now to get an output, print S. A in square bracket 0 gives us the first character in the string. The indexing starts from 0 for the first character and goes up to n-1 for the last character, where n is the total number of characters in the string. So we can access the strings from the n using negative indices. So type A square bracket 0, hit enter. Then A in square brackets -1 gives us the last element of the string, and A in -2 gives us the second element from the end of the string. So type A in square brackets -1, enter, and A in square brackets -2 and enter. Now pause the video here and try out the following exercise and resume the video. Given a string S is equal to, within double quotes, hello world, what is the output of S in -5, S into -10 and S into -15? Now S of -5 gives us W. So in terminal type S of -5 and hit enter. Now S of -10 gives us E. Oh, so we got an error as hyphen. So let's update the value of S with hello world. So type S is equal to hello world. So now S of -5 is W. So we got the output as W now. So next type S of -10. It gives us E. And S of -15 gives us an index error, as it should be expected, since the string given to us is only 11 characters long. Let us attempt to change one of the characters in a string. So type A is equal to hello, and A of 0 is equal to H. As said earlier, strings are immutable. We cannot manipulate a string. Although there are some methods which let us manipulate strings, we will look at them in the advanced session of strings. In addition to the methods that let us manipulate the strings, we have methods like split, which lets us break the string on the specified separator. The join method, which lets us combine the list of strings into a single string based on the specified separator. Let's revise quickly what we have learned today. In this tutorial, we have learned to define strings in different ways, concatenate strings by performing addition, repeat a string n number of times by doing multiplication, access individual elements of the string by using their subscripts, and finally use of concept of immutability of strings. Here are some self-assessment questions for you to solve. So first one, Write code to assign s, the string, is called the apostrophe. Second one, given strings s and t, s is equal to hello and t is equal to world, and an integer r is equal to 2. What is the output of s multiplied by r plus s multiplied by t? And third one, final, how will you change s is equal to hello to s is equal to hello with h in capitals? So s of 0 is equal to h, so s of 0 is equal to in single quotes h, and the third option is strings are immutable, hence cannot be manipulated. Now let's look at the answers. The given string can be assigned in this manner. So type s is equal to, in double quotes, is the apostrophe, and second one, the operation s into r plus s into t will print each of the two words twice. So as you can see, the hello comes 2 times and the world comes 2 times. Strings, the third one, the strings are immutable, therefore they cannot be manipulated. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. Thank you.